Hey everyone, and welcome to my ContentBot AI review. This powerful writing assistant is designed to supercharge your content creation and boost productivity. Want to try it out? Check the links below. ContentBot is a sophisticated AI tool packed with features for creators, marketers, and businesses. It generates high-quality written content fast, whether you need blog posts, social media captions, product descriptions, or even emails. Trained on massive datasets, this versatile AI handles various writing tasks with ease. One of the best features? It adapts to your tone and style, creating content that resonates with your audience. Plus, integrated SEO tools ensure your content is optimized for search engines, generating keyword-focused copy that ranks higher and saves you valuable time. A built-in plagiarism checker guarantees originality. ContentBot is perfect for content marketers, bloggers, and small businesses looking to save time without sacrificing quality. Solo creator or part of a team. This flexible tool adapts to your needs. The user-friendly interface makes it simple for anyone, and cloud-based access allows you to work from anywhere. In my experience, ContentBot delivers accurate, coherent, and SEO-friendly content quickly. It's a game-changer for saving time while maintaining quality. Overall, ContentBot is a fantastic investment for streamlining content creation, boosting efficiency, and improving performance. Want to save time and get great results? Give it a try. More info in the description below.